Now we're going to do multiplying measurements, multiplying and dividing measurements. So, and then we'll change those answers to scientific notation. There's two types. There's factor, the factor method where you leave it as a value like 400.67, or you change that to 4.0067 times 10 to the 2. So it's either in the factor form or in the scientific base 10 form, scientific notation base 10 form. There's only one rule, and that is when you multiply or divide measurements, your answer must have the same accuracy as the least accurate measurement. So accuracy is the number of significant figures. So you could restate it and say when multiplying and dividing, your answer must have the same number of significant figures as the measurement with the fewest number. So you have to identify the accuracy, find the least accurate, how many significant figures are in that value, and then that's how many significant figures will be in your answer. Now, I'm going to be doing two types. I'm going to be doing factor method where you're not using scientific notation at all. Your answers are not in scientific notation. And then we'll do some where you use scientific notation. All right, we'll do both. So very simple. If you have a calculator, you can always use a calculator. You don't have to do anything by hand. And then it's simply interpreting the accuracy that should be in the answer. All right? See how you do. So let's just look really quickly at this. So you see A is the answer is going to be two significant figures. Two significant figures will be A. And in B, the answer will be one significant figure. 10 has one significant figure. 190,000, that's two significant figures, so the answer will be one significant figure. And you have to round it appropriately. Okay, and there are the other ones. And just use your calculator, record your answers, and then just follow the instructions. And I'll see you at the end. All right, we're almost at the end here. And now what we'll go do is we will convert. This is my own lingo, factor method, etc. Now we'll take the values and we'll convert to scientific notation. For instance, 19 million would be 1.9 times 10 to the 7th. 2 million would be 2 times 10 to the 6th, etc. So you want to change those to scientific notation. Okay? And then I will check up on you on the next section. All right, now this is going to be multiplying and dividing using scientific notation. So the first one, you'll have 1.9 times 10 to the negative 2 times 5.00 times 10 to the eighth. So your answer will have two significant figures. And C, 2 times 10 to the 12th times 6.000 times 10 to the negative eighth, your answer will have one significant figure. Okay, so again, I will check up on you at the end. All right, so that's it. And here you're recording your answers. There's W and then X. Have a great day.